Hey, this is Chris with AdventureFit, and today we're going to take a look at the First Lite Uncompahgre 2 synthetic puffy, which is this jacket. Over the past 3 years, it's become my favorite synthetic puffy for backcountry photography. So stay with me. Now, even though it is my favorite, it's not perfect, and I'm going to show you the 2 flaws in this jacket. Before we do that, most people want to know what's the coldest temperature that I've used this jacket in. That would be 8 degrees in an Eastern Woodlands environment. I don't usually use this jacket unless it's below 30 degrees. It's just, you simply don't need it. So let's get into the 2 flaws. All right, here they are. First, look at these pockets right here. They have a nice fleece lining on the exterior, which is where your hands would be closest to the elements. And they have a nice smooth nylon in the back, which is the same as the exterior material of the jacket. But here's the problem. Look at this second pocket. This is the one on the left side. It's got a lanyard. Okay, what's the problem with that? Well, I'll tell you in a second. Look at all this extra material. The reason this is here is it's supposed to be the stuff sack. And what happens is, if you're not really careful, when you zip these pockets, or this one pocket in particular that's supposed to double as the stuff sack, it'll get hung up. And then you're talking about a stuck zipper, and that's never any fun. So what can First Lite do to correct that? Well, I'll show you. Let's pull in this Patagonia Nano Puff down vest right here. Now watch what Patagonia does. So on the inside, they have a stuff sack, but it also doubles as a pocket. And look at what it's made of. It's a very stretchy mesh nylon fabric. Look how stretchy that is. So what you can do here is obviously use it as a stuff sack, but you can also put a hand warmer in it if you want extra warmth in really cold conditions, or you can put a small to medium-sized water bottle in there. And the reason you want to do that, or the reason I do it, is because in really cold temperatures, if your water's in your pack, it's going to freeze. So that brings up the other problem with this jacket, this Uncompahgre 2, is the lack of an inside pocket. And so First Lite could solve both of those issues by doing what I just showed you and copying Patagonia. So once again, this is my favorite synthetic puffy for backcountry photography. And just anything else you can think of in the backcountry, it's the First Lite Uncompahgre 2 synthetic puffy. I highly recommend that you try this out. And if you've liked this video, if you found it helpful, then please subscribe and hit that like button, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.